Hi guys, this is Bully. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to create a coupon in your WooCommerce store to boost sales. Do you know why it's important to offer a coupon to your customers? It's because coupons can increase repeat purchasing behavior. Also, your customers will buy more products faster if you offer them a coupon with an approaching expiration date and a discount. But before we get started, I want to welcome back all my subscribers. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Alright, here's what your e-commerce website looks like without a coupon feature. But then, after you enable the coupon feature, your website will look like this. You will have a box where you could enter a coupon code and the button saying apply coupon. Here are two simple steps we're gonna do to get this feature working in the WooCommerce store. First, we need to enable the coupon feature. Go to your website or your store, hover over WooCommerce, and then click Settings. Scroll down on this page and click to enable the use of coupon codes. Click the Save Changes button. Go to the front end of your store and refresh the page to see the changes. We need to add an item to the shopping cart first in order to see this feature. Let's add this one. Click View Cart to see the item in the shopping cart. Here it is. That's the box to enter a coupon code. Alright, let's go to the next step, which is we are going to create a coupon. First, we're gonna create a percentage discount coupon. Go to Marketing, hover Marketing, and then click Coupons. Click either one of those buttons. Let's click Add Coupon. Enter a coupon code in the first box. Make sure it's easy to remember and understand. It's up to you. The second box is for description. It's optional, but I suggest that you should add something here so that you know what type of coupon this is and what it is. Let me correct some of my typos here real quick. Once it looks good, we are going to work on the first section. There are some options here. There are 3 types of coupons. 1, percentage discount, 2, fixed cart discount, and 3, fixed product discount. Select the first one, percentage discount. Next, it's for a coupon amount. You could hover over the question mark icon to see a tooltip. This is gonna be a percentage. Let's add 50% off. And if you want a free shipping, you could check that box, and this box is for the expiry date. If you don't want your coupon to expire forever, just don't have to select any dates here. But in this video, we're gonna select my tomorrow date. And we are not going to the next section for a bunch of restrictions here because it might turn out to be too complicated for this video. I might make a future video for all types of restrictions that you could do or use. Let's skip to the next section, which is usage limits. The first one is per coupon. We're gonna set only 1. You could use this coupon only one time. And the last box, we are going to use this coupon only for one person or per user. Just add one right there. After everything looks good, just click the publish button. Alright, next we are going to do some testing. We're gonna use this coupon code to test buying a product. Go to the first box and copy that coupon code. Let's go to the front end and refresh the page first. Next, we need to add a few items in the shopping cart. Let's do some shopping. I have only 3 items in my demo store, so let's buy this iPhone case. And let's click add to cart. Let's go back to the main shopping page again. And let's add this clock too to our shopping cart. Let's click add to cart. Alright, I think it's good. We got 2 items in our shopping cart. Let's check the shopping cart. Add the coupon right there and click apply coupon. And guess what? This is a 50% off. And let's use it again. We got an error message there because we could use this coupon only one time per one user. We can't use this coupon anymore. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful somehow, so you can help other people to find my content too. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you. Alright, let's create a fixed price coupon next. Go to marketing, click coupons. Click add coupon on the top. Add a coupon code in the first box. In this case, I'm gonna use fixed total. The next box is for description. It's optional though, but I prefer adding something here so that I know what this coupon is for. This is a fixed price for all items in your shopping cart from the total amount that you're gonna pay. Let's select fixed cart discount right here. And let's add 40. The last box is the coupon expiry date. Let's pick my tomorrow date here. I need to fix my typo real quick. Next, go to the next section, which is usage limits. Limit per coupon. Let's click the up arrow to 1. And per user, let's click the up arrow as 1 also, and then click the publish button. Alright, it's time for testing. Let's copy the coupon code. Let's go to the front end and refresh the page. Alright, it's time to shop again. Let's add some items to the shopping cart for testing the new coupon. Let's buy this t-shirt, and I want the sky blue color. And then click add to cart. Let's go back to the main shopping page again. Let's buy this wall clock again. And just click add to cart. Okay, I think we have enough items in the shopping cart. Let's view the shopping cart. Let's click view cart. And add the coupon right here, apply coupon. Alright, so the total of 2 items is $61.50 and the coupon is for $40 off, as you can see here. Alright, it looks like it's working. By the way, if you want to support my channel, I add all the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, let's get back to the video. Next, we're gonna create a fixed price discount coupon for each product in the shopping cart. Go to Marketing, hover Marketing, and click Coupons. And then click Add Coupon. Add a coupon code in the first box. I'm gonna add fix each product. Next, add some description for this coupon so that we know what it's all about. Just in case we need to revisit this coupon again in the future, it's important to add a note or a description for this coupon, but it's up to you, it's just optional. Next, select fixed product discount. And then we're gonna enter a coupon amount right here. Let's enter $50 and let's select an expiry date. And I'm gonna select my tomorrow date. Next, let's go to usage limits. Let's add 1. And then per user, let's add 1 too. Once everything looks good, we are going to the next section. But first, let's click the publish button. In this example, we're gonna choose a specific product to get a discount. If you don't choose any, the coupon will be used for a $50 discount to each product that you add in the shopping cart. Click usage restriction and click in the products box and type a product name. In this case, I'm gonna add the wall clock here. So basically, you'll get a $50 discount for all the products in your shopping cart if you don't add a product here. Just an example. Once everything looks good, just click the update button. Let's copy the coupon code that we just previously created. Alright, let's refresh the page of the front end on your store right here. We need to do some shopping again. Let's add this iPhone case in our shopping cart. Let's go back to the main shopping page. We need to add more items. Let's add this t-shirt again. Click add to cart. Let's go back to the main shopping page again because I want to add this wall clock, but I want 2 of them. Click add to cart. Alright, we got many items in our shopping cart now. Let's view the cart. We got about 4 items because I have 2 wall clocks. Let's paste the coupon code right there and click apply coupon. So the coupon is for $50 for each clock, but the price of the clock is $40.35. So the system uses that amount as the discount amount. That's why the discount is $80.70. But what if we remove 1 clock from the cart and update the cart? So the final discount amount is $40.35. which will be taken out from the subtotal of 86.70 cents, excluding a standard shipping. That's all for today's tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what other strategies you like to use to attract more customers to your online store, and you would love to share your thoughts with our community. I would love to hear about them a lot. Alright, you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.